This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to find the child tax credit on TurboTax. Whether you're new to TurboTax or just need a refresher, I'm here to make the process as smooth as possible for you. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly where to look and what information you need to ensure you're maximizing your return with the child tax credit. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your current tax return in TurboTax. It's important to ensure you're working on the correct tax year, as the tax laws and credits can vary from year to year. Once you have your return open, you'll notice a menu on the left side of the screen. From this menu, select Federal. This is where you'll find all the federal tax-related sections of your return. Next, at the top of your screen, you'll see a tab labeled Deductions and Credits. Click on that tab, and it will take you to an overview of all the potential deductions and credits you might qualify for. This is where you can really make a difference in how much tax you owe or how much refund you'll receive, so it's worth taking your time here. As you scroll down, look for a section titled You and Your Family. In this area, TurboTax groups together credits that relate to family and dependents, which is exactly where the child tax credit will be. Here, you'll have the option to either start from scratch or revisit this section if you've previously entered information. So, go ahead and click on Start or Revisit next to Dependents and Joint Returns. Now, this is where you'll need to enter some important information about your child. TurboTax will prompt you to enter your child's full name, social security number, and date of birth. Having this information handy will make this step quick and easy. Remember, accuracy is key here, as any mistakes could delay the processing of your tax return or affect the amount of credit you receive. After entering your child's details, you'll need to confirm a very important criterion that they lived with you for more than half of the year. This is a requirement for qualifying for the child tax credit, so make sure to provide accurate information. TurboTax uses these details to determine eligibility, so take a moment to double-check that everything is correct. Once you've entered all the necessary information, it's time to review the tax summary screen. This is where TurboTax will analyze the data you've provided to determine if your child qualifies for the credit. The summary screen provides a clear breakdown of how your entries affect your tax situation, highlighting any credits or deductions you're eligible for, including the child tax credit. And that's it! You've successfully navigated through TurboTax to find and apply for the child tax credit. By following these steps, you ensure that you're taking full advantage of the credits available to you, which can significantly impact your tax return. Remember, if you have any questions or uncertainties, TurboTax offers a wealth of resources and support to assist you. I hope this guide has been helpful, and you feel confident in finding the child tax credit on TurboTax. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other tutorials for more tax tips and tricks. Happy filing!